In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste a table from ChatGPT to Google Sheets. Transferring a table from one platform to another might seem daunting at first, but with these simple steps, you'll be able to do it in no time. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to head over to ChatGPT. This AI tool is widely used for generating content, including tables and datasets that you might find useful in your projects. Once you're on the ChatGPT website, you can begin the process. In the search field, type the prompt. Create a sample table for inventory sales. ChatGPT will then generate a table based on this prompt, which we will need to copy over to Google Sheets. Now, with the table generated, you should see an option to copy the table. Typically, this is done by right-clicking on the table and selecting Copy Table from the available options. This function helps ensure that the format is preserved, making it much easier when you paste it into another program. Once you have that option selected, your table is now ready to be pasted into Google Sheets. Next, open Google Sheets. You can either start a new spreadsheet or choose an existing one that you want to add the data to. Once you've decided where your table will go, navigate to that Google Sheet. Here's a quick tip. Ensure that you have right permissions for the sheet, as you won't be able to paste if it's set to View Only. Now use your mouse to press right-click on the cell where you'd like to start pasting the table. This step is crucial because where you select will be the top left corner of your pasted data on the spreadsheet. After right-clicking, look for the Paste option in the contextual menu that appears and go ahead and select it. Your table should now appear in the Google Sheet. The last step you might need to do is adjust the column width as needed. Sometimes, when you paste data into Google Sheets, the columns might not automatically resize to fit the contents. If you find that the text is cut off or your table looks cramped, simply click and drag the line between the column letters at the top to adjust their width until everything looks just right. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to copy a table from ChatGPT and paste it into Google Sheets. This process can streamline your workflow, allowing you to carry over generated content from AI to your preferred tool for organizing and analyzing data. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful.